If you're a car enthusiast, you need to know which tyres fit your ride like a glove. First, we have winter tyres. These are designed for snowy and icy conditions, providing excellent grip and control. However, they wear out faster on dry roads. The standard tyre pressure for winter tyres is around 32 psi. Next, we have all-terrain tyres. These are versatile and can handle both on-road and off-road conditions. The standard tyre pressure for all-terrain tyres is around 35 psi. Then we have summer tyres. Optimized for high-speed driving on paved roads, these tyres ensure excellent grip and control. However, they're not suitable for winter conditions. The standard tyre pressure for summer tyres is around 32 psi. Additionally, we have all-season tyres. These tyres are designed to perform well in a variety of conditions, including wet and dry roads. They offer a balanced performance, but may not excel in extreme weather conditions. The standard tyre pressure for all-season tyres is around 33 psi. Understanding the differences in tread patterns, rubber composition, and performance metrics can help you choose the right tyre for your needs. Proper inflation and maintenance are crucial for tyre performance. Always check your tyre pressure and ensure they are properly inflated. Regular maintenance, such as rotation schedules, alignment checks, and inspecting for wear and tear, can extend the life of your tyres. No matter where you're driving, the right tyres make all the difference. Some of today's best tyre brands include Michelin, Goodyear, and Bridgestone. Choose wisely and drive safely. Let's dive into how different kinds of tyres can affect your vehicle's fuel average. First, let's talk about tyre tread. The tread pattern of your tyres can significantly impact fuel efficiency. Low rolling resistance tyres, for instance, have less tread depth and are designed to reduce friction with the road, improving fuel economy. However, they may not provide the same level of grip as other types. Next, consider tyre material. Tyres made from advanced rubber compounds can offer better fuel efficiency. These materials are engineered to be more flexible and durable, reducing energy loss as the tyres roll. Design also plays a crucial role. Aerodynamic tyre designs can minimize air resistance, further enhancing fuel efficiency. Tyres with streamlined sidewalls and optimized shapes can help your vehicle cut through the air more efficiently, saving you fuel in the long run. But remember, there's a trade-off. While tyres that prioritize fuel efficiency can save you money at the pump, they might not always provide the best performance in extreme conditions. It's essential to find a balance that suits your driving needs. So, how do you make the best tyre choice for your vehicle's fuel efficiency? Consider factors such as your typical driving conditions, the importance of fuel savings, and the performance characteristics you need. Regular maintenance, such as keeping your tyres properly inflated and aligned, can also make a big difference. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Choose wisely, drive safely, and keep those wheels turning.